3, 2, 1, drop. Oh shit. Well played, dude, that's spicy. Yeah, this one line in St. Anton is sort of a, I would call it a classic line, although it doesn't get skied that often. He had to drop in and then cut some of these spines in order to get to his fall line. We were not sure about the conditions, and the wind had been in there a little bit, and I chose to go ski the line anyhow. It looks so f***ing sick, boys. 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh shit. I'm all good. I dropped into the line and got a quarter of the way down it before it kind of popped all around me. It was a bad call, to be honest, to hop on this big face above exposure with potential wind slabs going on. One of those, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I'm so scared. Don't do this at home, kids. Sorry, Mom. So we got another reset with less wind, and I was able to get back up there and ski the same line I had tried to ski before with more success. And it was a highlight of my winter for sure, and sort of a nice rebate and a way to get back on the horse after making a poor decision. It was impressive to see how he stepped up to this face and just skied it with attitude, I would say. 3, 2, 1, drop. Woo, I'm vibrating right now. Holy dude, that was so much sick. That was sick.